Bobby from Edna has a question about insulation upgrade.
Well, the home inspector recommends adding more.
Okay.
So Bobby writes, it has the pink bats in it. So he wants to know, should I buy more of that to put down, or would it be worth having some spray insulation added instead? What say you, Tom?
I'm going to call it spray insulation, but blown-in fiberglass on top of the pink color is Owens Corning. That's just their color.
And you're not saying spray foam.
No, that's what I mean. Where it's going to be just, I would do formaldehyde-free fiberglass, and you can get it. I don't know if it's going to be pink. Most of the stuff I've seen is white. They don't put a coloring in there, but either way, that's what I would do. It's a lot easier in a house that's existing. If you wanted to get the bats and roll them out, or the blankets, I should say, bats go to the wall, but the blankets and roll them out, you can do that too. Just make sure there's no facing on there, that it's unfaced.
So the color doesn't matter. I just make sure, what Bobby knows, the color doesn't matter. No. You can mix and match the colors.
Yeah, pink is Owens Corning. Yellow is, I think, Johns Manville. Mm-hmm. And then you have the formaldehyde freeze would tend to be white in color because they don't want to put the chemicals in there to color it. So that's what usually it comes in, those three colors.
All right. And we come in living color when you ask us a question at HomeShowRadio.com, just like this. These videos over here. Subscribe to our channel, and you'll help us out, and you'll know when new ones go up.